In this video, we will show you how to add connections in the Garmin Connect app. To add connections, you will need the Garmin Connect app installed on a compatible smartphone and a Garmin device paired with the app. For this video, we will use an Apple iPhone, but instructions are the same for Android smartphones. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app on your Apple iPhone, then select More to access the app menu. Now select Connections. Select Find Friends to see a list of suggested connections. Find friends by linking to your Google account or linking your smartphone contacts with the Garmin Connect app. Select Invite Friends to send an invite via text message or email directly from your smartphone. Select the magnifying glass icon to manually search the name or email address of another Garmin Connect user. When you have found a connection you want to add, select Connect. A notification will be sent to this connection. Once they accept, they will be added as a connection in your account. And that's it. You can now find and add connections in the Garmin Connect app. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.